All right. Hi, everybody. Music class is now live. Everything is up on the Google Classroom ready to go. I wanted to take a quick moment to make a video just to help explain a couple more things so you're not totally overwhelmed. I put everything up for the week, and I'll do that, each week so that you can get things done when you need to get done. So when you see all this, it's not that you have to do it right now. It's just that now you can pace it out however you want for the rest of the week. So if you've been, following your stream for the last couple hours, it's been going nuts for this class, but that's it for the week. Okay. So when you log on, you want to make sure that you're doing the attendance question. I'll put that up tomorrow morning when it's all ready. And honoring the honor code. Just reading through, making sure you click that you're done with it. And then here are the 3 assignments for the week. So the main thing I want you to see over here is that they're all due Friday at midnight. Okay? So don't feel like you need to do them all right now, even though a couple people have already done a couple of them. Chill. Okay? Over the next 3 days, I'll explain each one a little bit more in depth. I want to explain the performance assignment a little bit more because I know a couple people are a little nervous about that, just what it's all about. Number 1, don't freak out, okay? Doing performance is important because it's like if you were to do art class online, he probably wants you to draw a little bit. We still have to make sure we're still doing something musical. So these are all supposed to be lower stress, all stuff I've done in class, or really close to stuff I've done in class, or throwing some new stuff into. And all done one little bit at a time to get you ready. So don't feel like you need to be perfect with these. These are just to give you a little bit of musical activity to get you a little bit closer to what you need to do. Okay? Before you even go into the assignment itself, you always need to jump down to the practice guides first. Okay? So here you're going to find a practice video, which is some time with me going through exactly what you need to do. It's super awkward and weird. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the... I'm one of those people that hates hearing my own voice. Oh. So, if you follow through with that video, I take you step by step through the whole thing, and you can just practice along with me and do it once or twice, and you'll probably have it down. Okay? If you don't have it down right away, that's okay. That's why you have until Friday. So take a little bit of time to just practice with me. And if you do 5 minutes a day, today, tomorrow, Thursday, then you'll be ready. Everything will be fine. Okay? If you're somebody that likes it a little bit more spelled out, I have just a 1-page kind of instruction sheet. But really, you mostly want to go through the video. Okay? As soon as you do feel like you got it down and you can play along with me and you know what's going on, then you come up to the assignment and you go to Flipgrid. If you're new to Flipgrid, I am too, kind of. You're going to log in with your school email. There's mine. Okay. And then you can watch it one more time. I have it ready for you there. And then you record here. Okay. So you click that little button, record exactly what you practice with me, and you'll have it all done and you don't have to worry about it anymore. So one thing with that, as we go forward, these performance assignments are going to be, more like real songs. So there's going to be some options that I'm going to ask you to give me more information later about, okay? I want you to be able to make music on something you have at home. So I know a couple people have guitars. I know a couple people probably have their piano that their grandma gave their family 5 years ago and want to play. But some people might not have anything at home either, and that's okay too. Okay? So I'm going to ask you to tell me what of those things you want to do. If you have nothing at home, not a whole lot of experience with music, or if you frankly don't really care about music, then we're going to do some drumming. TBH, being completely clear with you, it is definitely the easiest option. So if you want to just kind of do what you need to do and move on, pick that one, and that's fine. We'll make it fun enough for you. It'll be basic enough that you'll be able to hang the whole time, no problem. If you, pardon me, if you have a guitar or piano at home and you want to play that, we'll do kind of like beginners step-by-step videos for those. Or if you play any other instrument, maybe you're in band, maybe you're in orchestra, just let me know those and I will make music for you to play. I won't be able to do step-by-step with you, but you already have a little bit of a head start. So everybody, I just want you to be able to do something musical on your own. It's really the main point of this, okay? So for today, you should probably log on, make sure you do the attendance question, look at the honor code, and then practice along with the practice video. You don't need to be perfect at it today. In fact, you never have to be perfect on the first day. You never have to be perfect on the second day. You don't even need to be perfect when you turn it in. You just have to be pretty close, okay? These are all things you should be spending maybe 15 minutes a day, and that's it. If you're spending any more than that, if you're in the half hour to hour territory, definitely let me know, and because you're probably just, you have some wires crossed, and we'll make sure we get it all figured out, or I'll just come up with a new solution for you, and that's okay. All right, so that should be enough info for the first day. Good luck with everything. Let me know if you need help. I am here for you. And if you do need help, almost forgot, you can go down to the question form right here. Right now I have two different ways for you to get a hold of me. You can go to the Padlet, if you know Padlets. You can ask a quick little question right here, and I'll reply to it as soon as I can. Or you can click on the other link, and that will, click on the other link, and that will take you to Flipgrid that I made for your class specifically for questions and answers. You make a quick little video question, I will send you a video back. So if you need me to show you something, then that would be the way to go. All right? Good luck with everything. Ask questions if you got them. Good luck with everything. And have a great week. See you soon.